Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is Christine. And if you're new here, and if this is the first video you're watching, and if you're wondering why I have a mask on in my house, is because I'm coughing and I have the strong feeling it is COVID. So I'm trying to protect my brother, so please excuse me. This is the last teaching video. Yes, and I am going to wrap this up and end this video with teaching geometry. So, if you want to change or move shapes, we are going to use 4 things. Number 1, dilation. Number 2, rotation. Number 3, reflection. And number 4, transition. If this is the first time hearing all of these words, don't worry. We are going to go through them one by one very carefully and slowly, okay? Number 1, dilation. So what is dilation? So if we have a grid, like the number grid, the like y, x, y grid, and we have a different color pen. Let's say we have a triangle, okay? Like this. And dilation is making smaller or bigger. So let's say we have 2 triangles. This one is the original triangle, and this is the triangle that we changed by using dilation. And that is another plane. It's going over my house. Anyways, so dilations can make the shapes either bigger or smaller. So the question will be asking something like, by how many units did the triangle, let's say this is A and this is triangle B, this triangle B gets smaller. So we can say it got smaller, like by counting how many units it got smaller, we can say by 2 units, triangle B got smaller. Or this might be the original triangle and this might be the changed triangle. So we can say by 2 units it got bigger. And yeah, so dilation says bigger, getting bigger and smaller. And now going on to the second one, rotation. Like rotating, okay? Rotating, let's say we have this grid again. Like X and Y. Rotation is like the word itself, rotating. So, by the way, that was my brother. If say we have a triangle, we have a right angled triangle here. If we are rotating, we're gonna rotate it by either something degree. So if you're going to rotate this by 180 degree, this will be something like, if this is will be something like this. If this is like the X and Y. If the triangle comes here, then it's 90, right? If the triangle comes here, it has rotated 180. If the triangle is somewhere here, then it has rotated some to 170 degrees. Now, there's one thing you have to remember in rotation. If the shape is going clockwise, it's minus something degrees. But if the shape is going anti-clockwise, like rotating anti-clockwise, is plus something degrees, okay? It's positive something degrees. And if it's the other way around, it's negative something degrees. Please remember to memorize that. Now, third one, reflection. If you see a mirror, it reflects, right? It's the same thing. So